I also got a new vacuum. Narwal kindly sent over a new vacuum. They are sponsoring this portion of the vlog, so I will import that footage right here for you guys. All right, so this is the vacuum that Narwal sent over. I had another one of these, but it ended up breaking. It was a different brand, so I have been I have been without one of these for like maybe the last 4 or 5 months, and I'm so excited to have one of these again. This actually vacuums and mops, which is the coolest thing I have ever seen. It has these little mop pads that get attached to the bottom of the vacuum. It came with extra little attachments, little brushes for the vacuum. And then you have this little magnetic thing that you can put anywhere where you don't want the vacuum to actually go, which is really handy if you have like certain spots that you just don't want the vacuum to enter. You just put this on the ground, and then once you do the mapping, it will read your entire apartment. So base is down here, and then it has the jugs in here for when you do the mopping. So you have your wastewater and the clean water here. Goes through the app on your phone. So I named mine Boots, and you can click on it, and it mapped out the apartment the other day in a very interesting way. But it still covers all of the hardwood floor. Nonetheless, that is like the main area that I need it to clean, and then especially the fact that it has a little mopping feature is so freaking handy. But you can just control everything from your phone. Hit this and it'll start it, and then
start vacuuming.
It's so cool. He's still getting used to it.
I had a feeling you'd come back.